We've come out of 3 years of drought now, worst we've had in 100 years. In our local setting, climate change is lived, it's felt, and farmers are probably the true custodians of our landscapes. They're the ones essentially at the front line of this situation. My goal or my vision is to try and inspire more, try and inspire people that have got custodianship to act. My name is Gird. I'm a co-director of Living Lands. I'm based in the Baviaanskloof, a small part of South Africa, where we're trying to rehabilitate landscapes. We're trying to find a local economy that gives back to the ecology more than what it takes out, and simultaneously allow for landowners to free up spaces of their farms that can have active restoration happen. So one of the things we're trialling in the Baviaanskloof is to plant aromatic herbs and see if we can distill them to produce essential oils. That allows farmers to earn a better income off a smaller portion of their land, which allows us then to rehabilitate and restore the rest of their land. So by planting certain species or rehabilitating certain areas, you could potentially put carbon back into the ground and trade with it and sell it on the international carbon market. A livestock farmer would traditionally be doing one event. You have that same farmer having multiple income streams. So it's more resilient to the effects of a changing world. As soon as you start getting your hands dirty, then you start seeing what it actually takes. And this is a massive challenge. It's a huge challenge, probably the biggest challenge the world's ever faced. We've got to be humble and start doing it. Let's just start doing whatever it is we can.